Good morning, Mr. Andrew. What are you doing?
I'm jacking off the trailer.
Uh-oh.
One of our last things to worry about was our camper, which was really just...
We're gonna tow it up to the shop if we could, and time's running thin, so we were gonna take it up to the shop, but we have someone coming to get her today.
From St. Pete.
From St. Pete.
Needs a floor redone. I just bought it at auction to keep my teenage sons away from each other, so it has served its purpose.
Yes, boys will be boys.
Boys. Fighting like cats and dogs.
Oh, yeah.
So this trailer's been sitting here since 2008.
Woo! Lordy have mercy, that's a long time.
It had its own carpet roof.
Yes.
Stacy got off of there.
We'll show that thick mess here in a little bit.
So I'm gonna help the guy put new tires on it today, and away it goes.
New tires? Yeah, I think those need some new tires. Alrighty. We'll be back in a bit.
Who says you can't grow your own roof? That looks like a sod roof if I've ever seen one. That's what happens when you park your camper for 12 years. Right, baby?
Yeah.
That is incredible. I think you own it. There it goes. Look at that. Stacy's Roofing Service. Oh, kick it. I don't care about that. Plastics history. Oh, ripping up the damn roof. What is that thing? Oh, that was a TV antenna or something. Damn, that's the hardest you've worked in a year. Ain't it right? Cakes. Simple pleasures.
Oh, yeah. Can't beat this right here.
I heard that from a famous YouTuber one time.
Oh, man. You better listen to that guy. He's got all the knowledge. Never steers you wrong. Yum.
Thanks, baby. That looks delicious.
Oh, can't wait to get it down the hatch.
Down the hatch.
Hey guys. Well, geez. We are done helping with what needs to be done with here. That moves us another day closer to our home.
It's all pretty much left to the sheetrock guys now. And it has taken a little bit longer than expected, but it's all coming out and turning out really good. So we are officially done.
With this part anyway.
At the house. Yeah, the sale of the shop fell through, so we got to come back in about 3 or 4 months and clean out the shop and get rid of all the tools. This turned out pretty good. Let me open this door. So Levi has turned the garage into a tiny home. So the bath, vanity, and storage, and a shower are going in here. And he walled this off. And there'll be a little wraparound bar, some cabinetry over in this corner, and then a refrigerator, and then your bed. And he walled all this off and moved the laundry room over to here. The electrical panel right here used to be where the bathroom is now. So the next step is, which is hard to believe, but they're coming in the next couple of days and busting up all the Mexican tile. Hard job, because I hand laid every one of those things when I was a younger man. But that's it. It's time to go to the boat and put that thing in the water. See you down there.